Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with RPGSHOW Hair. Sent this beautiful wig that you see me wearing right now, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. This wig is a beautiful chestnut brown color with blonde highlights. It is in 20 inches, 180% density. This is their Maxipart 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure. I'm super excited to show you guys this wig because one, it's a ready to wear wig. It's no glue needed. It is a glueless wig. It does come with an adjustable elastic band and a drawstring at the back. It's one of their new 3D glueless max lace closure wigs. It's an upgraded pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots. The knots are literally invisible, and so is the lace, as you guys can tell. I did not put any makeup or anything on this lace. I just put it on so you can see that it blends very well straight out of the box. Also, the wig does come with this little card on the inside so you guys can see some of the new upgrades that do come with this wig. With this wig, you can do wide and deep parting. Even though it is 10x6, you still have a bunch of lace space to play with. So if you wanted to do a deep side part, you can definitely do that. A very natural glueless look with this wig. Also does come with removable combs, which you will see later on in the video. Also a cutout around your ear so that your wig isn't rubbing on your ear, making it super uncomfortable to wear. So I definitely love that. And like I said not long ago, there is a drawstring in the back which helps with cinching the wig to fit your head a little bit better. Like always with RPGSHOW, the hair is very silky and soft. I'm not experiencing any shedding. Even though the hair has been colored to get to this color, obviously, it just still feels so soft and silky. It doesn't feel brittle or anything like that. I have everything linked down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I also do have a coupon code in the description box. It's going to be SHAM for $100 off orders $400 and above, so make sure you use that if you decide to try out an RPGSHOW wig. Highly recommend them. Their wigs are so amazing. I just love how they have so many different wigs and styles to offer on their site, so definitely check them out. So if you guys want to see how I did a glueless install with this RPGSHOW wig, then just keep on watching.